how to quickly attach and send a contact detail in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then open up a text conversation, either a new text conversation or an existing text conversation. Now at the bottom here, tap on the add button right next to the text field. Then tap on contacts. From the contact list here, you can select a contact. So here I will select this contact. Here you can choose to share contact as a file or as a text. So I'll select file. Here this is what it looks like as a file. And if I select contacts and if I choose text, then it will insert the text into my text field. So here is a file and here is a text. And then tap on send. And that is how you can attach a contact. So this is the contact file here. If I tap on it, this will open up the contact info file. Whereas if I choose to send as a text, all the text is included in the text field in here. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that is how you can attach a contact details to your text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.